Hi, welcome to Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be doing a movement which is called a hip twist. And if you thought about rock and roll twist, that is quite proper, or let's say it can be similar, but with more restraints because we have our famous isolations. And what we will be doing? We start, of course, with our proper body posture. So feet are parallel, knees are a little bit bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest and long neck. And now you take your hips and you can think with your hip bones. And these hip bones, you want to push one of them to the side. So make this little twist, there is no other word for it, in your hips. So one hip is in front, the other one is in the back, and then you change hop, and then you change once again, hop, hop. So you can think with both hips like 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. You can think with one hip that you want to put it in the front, and in the front, and in the front, or in the back, and in the back, and in the back. It doesn't matter, whatever will work for you. But what is important, that this movement stays vertical. So you don't have any change in your body weight. You can't go with your knees like that. The knees are on the same level. They can turn a little bit like with the hips, so you can think that they look one side and the other side, one side and the other side, but there is no work like this. So the hips stay in a vertical movement and you do the twist. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Your feet are grounded and in the upper body you have a nice isolation. So the chest stays in the center. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and faster. Taka 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 taka. So when you go faster, the movement is becoming smaller. Yes, when I do it slowly, I can have a big twist in my hips, but when I'm starting to do it a little bit faster, the movements are becoming smaller. And if I do really fast, they're really small. So it's like taka 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 ta. And if you go faster, you see that this movement is causing a kind of a vibration in your body. And the more intensive movement, the more intensive vibration. And you want to leave your glutes relaxed and your belly relaxed, so everything can shake with your hips. And this is the dynamic version of a twist. And your upper body still stays in the isolation. And a nice way to check if your hands are really isolated is to make this kind of exercise. You do the twist and your hands are going in front, up, and then you open. All the time there is a twist in your hips. You don't want to have something like this. You try to control your upper body and your hands up and open. And this is how you do hip twists. If you like this episode, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss next videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any questions about this movement, leave a comment below and I will try to help you with proper execution of this movement. And if you are interested in more advanced content, like more advanced combos, history, culture, language, and everything Oriental dance related, I invite you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course, on my YouTube channel. And I invite you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And I hope we will see here next week for the next basic movement in Oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!